Hello guys, want to quickly separate first and last name in Excel? Let me show you how to do this using Textsplit. Textsplit function allow you to split text strings by using column and row delimiter. So let's try to look at our example. Sometimes when you work with name columns, you have the title, the first name and last names. And in most cases, you just want to work with just the first name and last name. So let's see how we can bring out just the first name and last name using our Textsplit function. So I have another table here. I'm just going to click on this. Yes, I'm writing my formula. So I'm going to write equals to Textsplit. So we can see that we have different arguments for the test split, but the first one is going to be the test, which is the string that we want to split. So I'm going to click on this B3, then comma, then the second is going to ask is for the delimiter. So let's see that the delimiter here is a space. If you notice, there's a space between the doctor, the name and everything. So I'm going to use my double column. There's a space, this, then close this. So let's drag this down. So we can see what we have, but this is not what we want. We want to just get the first name and also the last name, not just with the title. So to do that, I'm going to go back to this to edit this, because now I have different delimiter. I have the doctor, I have the Mrs., and I have the space. So I'm going to add everything there. So after the comma here, I'm going to have this to it, then list all my delimiter. So I'm going to come here, comma, the second one, doctor, then the third one, Mrs., yeah, then I'm going to close this now. Okay, so let's do this, enter. So now I'm going to drag this down again. Yep. But you can see that what we have is still not what we want to work, because you can see there are some cases where we have the first name and last name, while we have some cases where we just have the first name blank. So let's go back to our formula to fix that. So let's look at this argument. We have a particular ignore empty. So we want to ignore this empty. So to do that, I'm going to have my comma, comma, then I want this to ignore. So I just need to drag this down now, and I have the correct thing. So thank you guys, see you in my next video.